Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rasha Pibasi, 29 years old, single, from Philippines. I am a college graduate. I have an 8 years old son. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have experience here in the Philippines as a helper for 2 years. I serve 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 8 and 9 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, marketing, taking care of the children, and also tutoring. To my future employer, please do hire me because I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and I love taking care of children. I treat them as my own children. I promise that I will serve and treat you as my own family. Thank you.